Okay, so earlier I was drawing a circle, and I used this method that's really simple, and you can pretty much find this stuff around your house, most of it anyway, a lot more than you can a protractor or a compass. They're just less common. Plus a protractor compass, they don't really make them big enough to do like a 15 or 20-inch circle. If you got a long enough piece of paper, you can pretty much do that. And it's simple. You just need to know the diameter of your circle and half that for your radius. So let's say you need an 8-inch circle, and you have therefore a 4-inch diameter. Make sure your cardstock or your tool is cut just a little bit longer than that so that you can punch holes in it and it not rip right through the edge. Put a hole where your center point will be and measure for your radius. Put a hole to the farthest point of that. Then you're going to take and put your pen and tool into that surface and do this. The stiffness of this paper is what helps keep it uniform. But there you go, perfect 8-inch circle from edge to edge, just like that.